Welcome to Ask ENID. Today I'm answering the question, should I hire a brand designer or should I DIY my brand? So I will talk about the pros and cons of each, not so much how to do it. That will be maybe a topic for a future Ask ENID, but today I'm just covering the pros and cons of each option so that you can weigh your options and choose the best one for you. So the pros of hiring a brand designer is that you're going to have a brand that's unique for you. It'll be made to the liking of your style, of your personal and business style. You'll have your brand values that will be represented in the brand. You will be speaking directly to your target audience with a brand that's made to attract them. And you will stand out from others because it'll be unique from others in your field. So the cons are that it is a little costly. It's an investment. It's not spending money. It's an investment. You will definitely get a return on your investment, but you have to have a couple, I would say at least $2,000 to invest in hiring a professional. And that's on the low end. It can go upwards of $6,000, I would say, for the full package, right? So yeah, I mean, if you have the money to invest, or if you can get a business loan, it's a good investment. But yeah, you definitely have to have some money. So pros is that you get something that's very targeted, that you can use for years to come, and it'll communicate who you are as a business. Cons is that you have to invest upfront. So if you're going to DIY your brand, the pros is that, well, you can do it for very little money. I would say a couple $100 and you can DIY your brand. You can take my Self-Made Solopreneur Self-Study DIY Your Brand course, which is coming out in the next couple months. You can ask me about that in the comments or DM, and I can get you on the waiting list so you can get that exclusive, launch price when I launch it in a couple months. So you can learn how to DIY your brand for anywhere between $250 to like $500. It's very affordable, and you can do it at your own pace, right? Cons is that, well, you are a professional and an expert in what you do. You are not a designer, so therefore the brand will never compare to a professional designer, but it will be good enough to get you to launch and get some initial clients in. You'll have the basics of a brand that makes it a unique enough or stands out enough, professional enough, so you can get clients in the door and get that money so that you can eventually hire a professional to rebrand you in a couple, usually 6 to 2 years. You can get enough money in the bank to invest in a professional to rebrand you. So pros are that it's very affordable and you can do it on your own terms. And the cons is that it's not going to be as unique. It's not going to be as well made as if it was done by a professional. But, it's just a matter of launching, getting a little bit of money in, getting some clients, and then from there saving up to hire a professional. I hope this helped. And if you're interested in Self-Made Solopreneur, my DIY branding course, DM me or put in the comments and I'll put you on the waiting list. And I can't wait to hear what you have to say about this. I think this is a super helpful Ask ENID, one of my favorites so far, and I hope it is for you as well.